Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Christine with Gauge Girl Training, an online meal planning and coaching service. I'm a food scientist and chemical engineer by training, and in today's video, we're going to discuss the health benefits of celery juice. So, let's get started. It literally seems like every few months, celebrities are hopping on the bandwagon with whatever new diet craze is popular in the media, and right now it's celery juice. So before you start copying Kim Kardashian and Kylie Jenner and Busy Phillips, who are all raving about the benefits of celery juice, please note that I do not recommend quick fixes. I do not recommend detoxes. The only thing that's ultimately going to help you lose weight is a caloric deficit and consistent improved habits in your lifestyle and behavior. Now, all that being said, celery juice has been drawing a lot of people's attention because people are seeing benefits from it. And I want to talk about what those benefits are, what benefits you could expect if you get on this celery juice thing, and how to go about doing that. So the first thing I want to talk about is the anti-inflammatory benefits of celery juice. So inflammation in the body can actually cause all kinds of problems, from skin issues, eczema, bloating, constipation, acid reflux, and the list goes on and on and on. So celery juice actually is really high in vitamin K, as well as it's got a lot of fiber, which is really going to help stabilize and normalize your system, minimize inflammation, as well as minimize bloating and constipation. Another benefit of celery juice is the fact that it's a natural diuretic. What that means is it allows your body to naturally expel more liquid, as that's what diuretics do. And it does this because of its electrolyte concentration and content in it. It does contain magnesium, it does contain potassium, as well as sodium, which tells your kidneys to release more water from your system, which will allow you to feel a little bit tighter, a little bit leaner, as well as less bloated as a result of that. Now, celery juice is also very high in vitamin C, and it also has a lot of bioactive flavonoids, which is actually very powerful for its cancer-fighting properties. So a lot of people are beginning to integrate celery juice into their diets and meal plan, and I definitely would say that this is a good thing, and this is definitely something that you should consider doing too. I am not saying only drink celery juice and celery juice alone for days on end. What I am saying is that it can help benefit some imbalances in the gut. Now, you can take it as a juice or you can blend it as a smoothie. Now, as a smoothie, you're still going to retain a lot more fiber and the pulp, but you can also strain that out if you want to drink it like a juice. Adding celery juice as a supplemental part of your diet is excellent for those of you who have GERD, also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease. This is also great for those who have cystic acne, those who have constipation, as well as those who just need a good source of fiber to their everyday life. So I do not recommend using this as a meal replacer. I do not recommend using this to supplement other like whole meals. Do not do that. But if you are looking for a way to help improve your digestion, improve your skin, it's a great way to do those things. Just please, for the love of God, do not put yourself on a celery juice cleanse. It is a recipe for disaster. But if taken in as a supplement to a healthy meal plan and nutrition and training program, it can do nothing but good things for you. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.